The DMT breakthrough experience is no walk in the park as it momentarily tricks your brain into a death-like state of mind, and it's absolutely terrifying. You actually think you're dying. You feel yourself losing grip on your very existence as you begin to melt into the fabric of your surroundings, and your perception is completely distorted by the fractal-like geometry of the information your brain is vying to compute. Then the fear just bursts like a bubble. You're no longer human. You've left the material bonds of the body and been systematically launched into the unknowable, the infinite. You've become one with the source. Maybe you died for real. You no longer care. You witness the true nature of reality for what it is, and you've been comforted by the fact that life, or indeed spirit, exists after death. It's like a kaleidoscopic chrysanthemum of crystalline clarity which is impossible to comprehend and keep. Although the familiarity of it all is absolutely astonishing, it's mesmeric, and they know it's too much for you, but these entities want you to remember. Then pop, it's gone. You're back. You're alive. Back from the dead. Back from a metaphysical mindscape that completely overrode your senses as you slip back into this seemingly ill-fitting meat suit you were wearing just moments before you died. Yes, you've been resurrected. I'm RN Vooght.